Does this look good? Like, do you want to get a shot of all the product? All right. So today I'm making some hand sanitizer, homemade, because I've been looking for some since we started being in isolation, and I haven't found any. I keep going to the store, I keep asking, and they keep saying that they don't have any. I decided that I have to make my own. Ideally, we're buying store-bought to be safe, but we can't right now. So I'm also going to, oh, Coco's here. The recipe is, can you feel like that this is like stressing me out? And I'm like, numbers and sanitizing. This is not stressful. It's okay. You can wash your hands if you don't want to make your own homemade hand sanitizer. Depending on the alcohol percentage in your isopropyl rubbing alcohol is going to affect how much of this you want in your mix. So ours is 70%. 60% is fine. Under 60% is not going to cut it. So this is 70%, so that's good. And so what we want is 86% isopropyl rubbing alcohol in the mixture because it's 70%. So here's the chart from Lab Muffin on how much percentage you want of rubbing alcohol in your mixture, depending on the percentage of alcohol. There is also a link below to the full video from Lab Muffin if you want to refer to that as well. I recommend you do. But if you have 70%, this recipe will work. I broke this down. So I'm trying to make 240 milliliters of hand sanitizer, 4 times 60 milliliters, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and it needs to be 86% of the mixture because of the chart. Isopropyl, we're gonna put in 206 milliliters. The hydrogen peroxide, you just need a splash of it, which will be 4 milliliters, which is about a teaspoon. And then the aloe vera gel is going to be 30 milliliters, which is about 6 teaspoons. Okay, I'm just working through this with you guys. So we just went for a walk. So some of the things that I'm noticing about this hand sanitizer is that it's like super watery because the alcohol percentage in our rubbing alcohol was only 70%, which is fine. It's just like, just have to kind of not put too much. And then the other thing is, it smells so strong. This isn't killing the germs. I don't know what could. The essential oil that I put in, actually, now at the end, I can smell it a little. So it's like maybe 10 drops would have been better of essential oil. I would recommend, if you can, putting it in a stiffer kind of bottle, easier to close just with one hand. There you have it, guys. I feel a lot better about it when I have some hand sanitizer. So if you can get it from the store, get it from the store. And if you can't, like me, try making it at home. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us.